the market seems to be shrugging off the possibility that we don't get something out of Congress in terms of another huge swath of money for relief. Now, whether it's $1 trillion or $2.5 or $3 trillion, we don't know. But clearly, you have to think that investors believe something's going to happen there. Otherwise, it's hard to imagine the stock market keeps going up.
I think I don't want to say it's impossible to imagine, because, again, the brunt of the pain is being borne on companies that don't trade. So you see a 3M. 3M's a big international company where things are turning. But when you see the local restaurants that are in Federal Realty shopping centers, David, when it gets cold, it's just not a great time to eat outside. A lot of the restaurants in the country have been very, let's say, resourceful. And the resourcefulness will end when it gets cold. The hotel business, I know Arnie Sorensen. We all love Arnie Sorensen, CEO of Marriott. He was optimistic. But, you know, David, off such a low base. So I agree with you that it is hard to believe that this momentum can continue without another version of PPP. Now, I believe Larry Kudlow will talk about a capital gains cut. That has been one of Larry's arrows in his quiver. I question whether that's what this market needs. But I think he may go a step further and say, you know what? It doesn't need anything. And if the Democrats won't give his team anything, you know what? We're fine because the momentum's back in the market. And they do tend to think that the stock market is allied with how the economy is really doing. And I think you and I know better.